Okay, now before I start the video, before I start this unboxing, I'd just like to say if you have any questions you want to ask me, the fastest way to reach me is Discord or Instagram. I'm more than happy to have a little chat with you. Anything under the sun, I'm okay, right? But if you want to be featured in the next video, you can just ask me or just post a random comment down in the comment section. You're probably going to be featured at the end of the next video. Just make sure you come back and check yourself out in that video. This is my dream mouse. I finally got my dream mouse. My dream mouse. You have no idea how happy I am that I finally got my dream mouse. Like, I am so happy right now that I just got this. The G304 has been my dream mouse ever since it came out. It's essentially a G102, but it's wireless. So I'm very excited right now to test out this mouse right here. I've been wanting to get it for a really long time. I never got around to getting it. Also been broke for a long period of time, but now I have a little bit of money. So I went ahead and bought myself a G304 with the plans to use it long term. And I will be reviewing it. So if you guys want to watch that review, subscribe. It's probably gonna come this Saturday. I think this video is gonna come out on Wednesday. The review for this coming out on Saturday. So subscribe and all that good stuff. So we're gonna unbox this right now. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I'm just gonna impulse buy a second camera and then mount it on top, just like overhead rig, but I'm broke right now. G304. Okay, smells good. Smells like gamer juice. Gamer. It's a gamer moment. Oh yeah, I need to film the thumbnail. Open it up and you're instantly greeted with the mouse. Like, you're instantly greeted with the mouse. I don't know if it's in focus. I don't have a flip screen. This right here smells like gamer. So excited. You have no idea how excited I am. Ooh, you know, I have no idea how long I've waited to hold this damn mouse and call it my own. It's so light. I mean, it doesn't have a battery in it, but which is probably why it's light. But man, probably put a AAA battery instead of a AA battery in here. Man, it's really light, and the build quality is it's good. Like, it's better than the G102 in some ways, I think. Let me go get my G102. Okay, so this is my daily driver, and this is essentially a wireless version of the G102. So basically, you know, this is just a better version of this. Wireless is great. Reduces the clutter. And if you want to see my setup being rejuvenated and refreshed and my whole room being redone to be neater, subscribe, because there's going to be a setup video coming soon with like a neat room, unlike the last setup tour. What else is in the box? Oh, so it comes with a battery. That's very nice, Logitech. And you come with a bunch of other stuff. So you come with some stickers. I don't really like stickers usually, but we'll just stick them on the back of my Acer right here. Yeah, screw it. Yeah, about that. Gamer moment. Hell yeah, gamer moment. Just cover the back of my laptop with stickers. That's the plan. We've got some brochures. Logitech G Team. Blah blah blah. Okay, so what's important is that right here we have this. Oh, it comes with this. I didn't know it comes with this. So it comes with this extension cable. So this is a USB male type A to a female USB type A. So basically what you do is you plug this into your computer, you have this extension cable, you run it out to somewhere like in front of your mouse, and then you put your wireless receiver inside this spot right here, so that you have the minimal amount of distance and interference between your mouse and your receiver, so you have less lag. You still create cable clutter though with this, so I probably won't use it. I'm not sure yet, but nice inclusion. We got our battery, and we got the mouse itself right here. I'm gonna include some B-roll probably. You know, my plan is to get like a second camera and just like have it top-down mounted, but right now no money for that. Actually, I do, but I can't decide which one to buy. Close it up just like so. Okay, take out the wireless receiver. You know what that sounds like? That sounds like a gamer moment. Whew. Smells like gamer. Alright, enough about gamer. I'm gonna plug this into my computer and test this out. I'm so excited right now because I've been looking to get this mouse for so long. The G102 is, to me, like my favorite mouse of all time. Like, actually really like it. Just it's the perfect sweet spot of comfortable and uncomfortable in a mouse. Like I got some ergonomic mice before, the G502, the Death Feather. Those are very comfortable for long-term use, but when I want to game and flick my mouse fast, I want something to be like in between comfort and discomfort. And frankly, this does that for me. So I'm gonna plug this mouse in and see how it works. Okay. Weight-wise, this is definitely heavier than the G102, and that's got to do with the battery, but it's not even that much heavier. Like, yeah. Because of the cable, I think, actually makes the mouse feel much heavier than it is. But yeah, weight-wise, it's okay. It's not really heavy, but it is definitely heavier than the 102, which is wired. Oh, I love these clicks, man. You have no idea how much I love these clicks. So I love the G102 because when I bought them and when they were brand new, the clicks were so perfectly tensioned that they felt amazing. But after a while, as the clicks kind of worn in and stuff, the clicks changed in sound. So while they were great still, they're not as nice as they were brand new. So here's a sound comparison between the old G102 clicks and the new G304 clicks. By the way, the G304 is the same as the G305 if you're wondering. This is the G102. So that's the difference in sound. This is the worn out one, and this is brand new, so it sounds different. Yeah, I like this. This feels like home. There's nothing much to say about it except that it feels like home because it is pretty much. So yeah, I really like this mouse. It pretty much feels like home. There's nothing much to say about it. I can't say anything bad about it. Like, it's the same shape as the G102, and if there are any sort of user quirks with it, I can't discover it yet because I've only just used it. But first impressions, feels great, feels like home. It's got everything I love with the G102's simple shape. It's a bit heavier, unfortunately, but it feels very comfortable to use still, and it still runs like crazy. I probably use this mouse with a AAA battery and like this just to save weight because I'm that kind of weirdo who loves saving weight on their mics. But apart from that, very nice. Build quality, pretty good. All the panels are well aligned. So I guess that's it for this video. I hope you like this fun little first impressions and unboxing of the G304, which I still believe is my dream mouse, but still need a little bit more testing to decide whether that's actually the case or I'm just lying to myself. So the G304, G305, hope you enjoyed or found this unboxing a little bit helpful. If you did, you know the YouTube drill. The YouTube drill is subscribe, like, and share. Do one of those. That's all I ask for you. One of those and I'll be really, really grateful. Anyway, if you want to reach me or if you have any questions, once again, linked in the description, Discord, Instagram, the fastest way to reach me, and you all can put a nice little comment in the comment section and I'll reply to it at the end of the next video. But until then, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Anyway, but until then, I'ma head out. See you soon.